30. Left 3 tightens 30. Right 2 don't cut into left 3 tightens, rock out into kinks 50. Left 2 into right 2 narrows, 3 out 30 kinks into left 3 short. Into right 4 small cut into square left 30. Left 4 tightens into right 4 into left 3 80. Right 2 short into left 4 and right 1 50. Left 3 into right 4. Into right 4 into left 3. Into right 2 and dip. And left 3 over dip into right 2 30. And left 2 into right 2. Through water into right 2. And right 3 into left 2 long. Into right 2 bumpy into square left tightens 80. Right 5 into left 5 tightens. Into right 3 short into kinks and right 5 80 bumpy. Brake square left into widens 500. Flat right over crest over jump 300. Flat left over crest over jump 150. Right 6 narrows 100 bumpy. Right 6 hard brake 80 square right cut into widens 300. Jump into long flat left. And jump 200 and jump. Hard brake into right 3 narrows through gate 150 bumpy. Left 6 into right 6 bumpy. Left 6 bumpy and hard brake right 2 don't cut 30. And right back left bumpy into right 6 bumpy 30. Kicks narrows into kicks 150. Left 4 tightens into flat right narrows 100. Left 6 short, don't cut, and right 5 short, don't cut. And left 4 long. And right 2 into fast kinks, narrows. And right 3 cut into left 3, 150. Kinks 80. Right 6 bumpy 150 and finish.